go. Okay, everybody, we are starting a new text, new selection. What is that? Unit 5, selection 2. How water and earthquakes shape the what? Earth. Okay, what is the genre of this story? Everybody, what is the genre, Teddy? The genre of
this story is informational text and Vocab. Now we do
Good. Okay, go. How many dollars? $5 and story style. Stop. What type of a story is it? It is
informational text and Vocab. Now
informational text. So it gives a lot of information. Information means what is the facts. Okay, go. Everybody write it. Facts. Henry, I told you we are recording this one and I'm not going to give you $100 after this. You know, when you work hard and well, and then we can help other kids to learn easily. And then you do not want to, help the others.
Teacher, I write $1,000.
No. Why are you writing $1,000? I told you not to do it. I did not get your money.
여기까지 $100을 못 쳤잖아.
Okay, here informational text. Now circle the title. What is the title? How earthquake shape the earth. Okay, very good. This is the title. I told you title always give the big clue for the what? Main idea. What is the main idea of this, what is it? These texts. Idea. What? Earth and earthquakes, water and earthquakes shape the earth. Yes? Okay, now, Henry, question. What is the question? Okay, here, what is the shape? What is a shape? What does it mean, shape? Shape means, what is it? Form.
Form means make.
Very good. Write it, $3. Okay, here, that is the earth. Actually, the earth means here is, what is a land? What? Do you remember landforms?
Yeah.
We said land shapes or landforms? Landforms, right? And then last time we learned about different landforms, yes?
Yeah.
So what was the title? Introducing landforms.
Yeah.
We learned the hoodoos. Do you remember hoodoos?
Yeah. And he like hoodoo.
Yeah, because you know hoodoos are shaped what? Like what? Animals and interesting, right? And then you like the hill because your apartment is on the hill.
On top of it.
Yeah, on top of the hill. Okay, now main idea. So, and we will find out what is a how. Okay, write it. 5 W's and 1 H. Who? I don't know. Actually, not people. And what? Water and earthquakes. And what do? They form, what is a landforms on earth? Yes? And how? Water flows. Yes? Who can explain? Water flows. When water flows, it takes away some dirt. Okay? And tiny pieces of what? Soil.
Yeah.
And here, so, and it,
rock too.
Yeah.
Rock too. I have hurt.
Where?
Here.
Oh no, oh no. Do you need a band-aid? Okay, go to the desk and ask for the band-aids and come back. Okay, here, about earthquakes? What about water? So how?
Teacher,
Mm,
wait.
okay.
Water is strong.
So water, how does water, what is the shape the earth? So what color do I need? Okay, this one. Water flows. Yes. So usually canyons are made by
Water.
flowing water, rivers,
Yeah.
right? Grand canyons. And earthquakes, what are the quakes?
Grand Canyon is one kind of big canyon.
What does mean quakes? Quakes means
It's shake.
yeah, shake. Why? Why does the earth shake? Because
the lava comes out.
I know. You know that when lava,
And
stays
underground,
it is called
shake.
magma.
Yeah.
Mantle.
Yeah,
And mantle is soft. So
soft.
on top of the mantle, there is a crust.
It
And
comes
it moves.
out
And sometimes it's collide, hit each other.
yeah.
So it creates earthquakes. So, and sometimes the big, huge pieces of land are called, tectonic plate. And they hit and then, like this. And it forms, when the two huge pieces of land hit each other, it makes mountain. Yes?
Teacher, can I say the story?
Yeah.
Sometimes the lava, the magma wants to come out, and it like this one, and the ground and the underground shake.
Yeah.
And it is earthquake.
Yeah, it causes earthquakes. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, now here,
English.
English. Henry, say flow, say flow. Oh, say flow.
Flow.
It means
To move along
move.
smoothly.
Yeah, smoothly.
Why you are
And okay, Henry read it. Water wears away. Read it. Henry, read the sentence. Water wears away. Read it. What does it mean wears away? It means what is it? Rubs off. Right? It rubs and the rocks breaks. And that the pieces, what is it rubs off, goes away. And the water takes the bits of rock away. That is, wears away. Say wears away.
Wears away.
Rubs off. Say rubs off.
Rubs off.
Rubs off. Say rubs off.
Rubs off.
Rocks and soil.
And it's like the biggest kind of rub off is break apart.
Very good. $3. And here S means when water flows over the land. Okay, what is the soil? We've learned many times. What is it, everybody? What is it called?
Dirt.
Dirt. Very good. Water wears away rocks and soil, dirt, as when water flows over the land. So what is this? What is happening called? Have you ever heard that? What is it? Erosion. Everybody say erosion. What is it called? Erosion. What is it called? Erosion. In Korean, we call it 침식작용. Say erosion.
Yeah, my mom explained it.
Good.
Then.
So because of erosion, you know that what? Grand Canyon formed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the next one? Take place. Say ache. Say
The
ache.
A.
Take place. Say take place.
Take place.
It means happen. Happen is so easy, but there is a synonym. What is it called? Occur. Say occur. Occur.
Occur.
Occur.
Occur.
And now, Henry, read it. Some changes take place slowly over time. So this is a slow changes. Yes?
Teacher, I have a rhyming word. Take, shape,
Nice.
rhyming.
Yeah,
And
take a shape.
Happen means occur.
Say, yeah, occur. And
Because
now,
or is clue for the synonym.
yeah, there are two different kinds of changes. One is a fast change. And the other one is what? Slow change. Okay, here go. What is it? Write it. What kind of a change is it? Slow change, right?
This is in how water shapes the earth.
Write it. Slow change. Carve. Say carve. Carve means cut. And here, go.
Cut means a shape.
Oh, cut means, yes, a shape. And here, Henry, you have no energy to read? And Teddy, read it. Rivers can carve
great valleys and canyons
into the land over time. So, we talked about Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
Okay?
Grand
So,
Canyon
have you ever been to the Grand Canyon?
No.
But Mrs. Sophie, what has been to Grand Canyon?
Really?
Long time ago, almost 10 years ago.
I know.
No, I don't know.
At the America.
Oh yeah, I think almost 8 years ago when Chloe, my daughter, was in the 4th grade, I think. Grand Canyon. Okay, what color should I use for the Grand Canyon? Orange. And Grand Canyon.
Red.
Say cur.
Correct.
Ash, say crash.
Correct.
Crash means collide. Collide means strike or hit. What is a hit?
Heat.
Hit or strike.
Yeah. A baseball strike.
Oh, hit is here. Not this color, red. And here, collide.
Hit.
And here, go. Ocean waves crash, strike, hit, collide into the land over and over again. So,
Yeah.
what is it?
So it means land.
Yeah, it shapes, what is it? Shapes a land form, yes?
Yeah.
And here, strike.
Teacher, I think this 2.2, myView2.2 is about landform and nature.
Very good. Good
So-
summary.
Yeah, and I think it's
So you can understand.
yeah.
You can understand what is the land
Yeah.
forms,
And
what is made.
It is all Oh, informational
Very good.
text that we read.
Very good. And ocean waves. And next, go where down. Say where. Or say where. Do, ow, say where down. Down, town, brown, gown. Rhyming words.
Yeah.
Okay, where? And what is us mean gradually? What is a gradually?
Teacher, where down, fall down, it is a rhyming word.
They are rhyming words. Gradually means slowly. Say slowly. Erode. What does mean erode?
Erode.
It means what is it? Wear away. Say wear away.
Wear away.
Rubs off. Or diminish. What is a diminish? Make it smaller and smaller and smaller. And gradually wear down. Slowly. Erode. Okay, through friction. What is the friction? Friction means, what is the friction? Rubbing. Say rubbing.
Robbing.
Good.
Robbing the temple.
Rubbing.
Robbing the temple.
Okay, here, rob, not robbing, rubbing.
But it is rhyming.
A little bit different. This is the of, rub. And erosion. We learned about erosion. What is the erosion? You know that here, wearing away. Yes?
Yeah.
And now the waves. What are they? The waves wear down the
Teacher,
land.
wind
Yes?
is a big water from wind.
Good. And now ledge. Say ledge.
Ledge.
D has a no sound. Ledge.
Yeah.
What about projecting? Projecting means what is it? Sticking out. Out. It is, what is it? Projecting is sticking out. Ridge. It's like a shelf on a what? Mountain. What is the page? 52.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Now, wait a second. What is it? So, what is another term, word for the what? Ledge. Edge of the, what is it? Edge of rock. Say edge of rock. Ledge is, what is it? Edge of rock. What is it? Edge of rock. Okay, go. Okay, projecting. It means sticking out, ledge like a shelf. It looks like a what? Shelf, a bookshelf. Okay, here now, okay, here go. A waterfall forms. What does it mean forms? Shapes. Yes?
Yeah, it means make.
Yeah, it's made.
Make?
Yeah, it's made.
Made by something.
Made where a river or stream flows, move. Okay, Teddy, can you go and close the door for me, for us?
Yep. On the other side.
And where river or stream flows quickly over a high ledge of hard rock. Okay? And next, go. Waterfall. Say waterfall.
Waterfall.
What is a waterfall? Waterfall.
Water.
Waterfall. All. All fall tall. You know which one's rhyming words? All. Tall. And one more. B-A-L-L. What is it called?
Ball.
Yes. Ball. Tall. And now, what is it?
Doll.
There is no D-A-L-L. Okay, waterfall. Okay, it is a place where water forms. Water from a river or stream falls.
Same ending sound.
Yeah, even doll is no. It is a little bit different. All, A-L-L.
All. Same.
Okay, here, what is it? Where what falls down? Water. What is it? Falls down. And waterfalls move rock and soil into a pool below.
Yeah.
Waterfalls move. What is the move? Rock and soil. And here, go. Break apart. To say bird. A. This is E-A is pronounced A. Break apart. To say break apart.
Break apart.
It means to cause come what?
Teacher, I have rhyming.
Come apart into. Yeah, part. Apart. Apartment is related to apart.
Part.
And here, some rocks break apart when the water, what is it? Freezes. What does it mean freezes? Turns into, what is everybody? Turns into what? Ice.
Ice.
Yeah, turns
so
into ice.
And ice is big ice is a glacier.
Yeah, as a result of extreme. What does mean extreme? Means very. Very cold. Like a Antarctica. Very good. Yeah, some rocks break apart when water freezes in there. What is it? Cracks. What are the cracks?
Cracks.
It means, what is it? Gaps.
Broken.
Gaps and breaks.
I remember it.
You know that these are small openings, cracks, cracker.
Teacher.
Do you like crackers?
Teacher, I
yeah.
remember.
Well, remember.
The Shana teacher explained gaps.
Yeah, so you can explain to me. How did Mrs. Sarah explain gaps? You know that when water freezes, it becomes very, very, very strong. Do you know? And this one is water.
Yeah.
Okay, when you freezes this water bottle in the freezer, and then it becomes bigger, and then it comes out.
Broken.
It comes out, boom, like this.
Yeah.
So the power is so strong the water goes into the cracks and it's okay. But when it freezes, it like this. Yes. And it freezes in there. Correct.
It break apart.
Say oast. Say coast. Coast all. Say coastal. This is a long O sound.
Teacher.
Yes.
Same sentence.
Okay, okay.
Same sentence.
Oh, coastal. It means of a coast. In the sea or on the land near the what? Near the coast.
Yeah. Or in the coast. But important is near the coast.
Turn into eyes.
Can I go to the bedroom?
Not now, after this. And you know, we have only one sentence left. Okay, here, Teddy, read it. Hurricanes
And
tsunamis
can
ruin.
coastal cities and wash away the homes of people.
Yeah, you know the hurricane is a
Yeah.
very, very strong. What is it?
Yeah, but
Strong storm.
teacher, but actually, they both come from men, made from
Yeah,
men.
you know hurricanes. You know we have hurricanes, but we have different names. What are they called? Typhoons. In Korean we say taepyeon.
Yeah. Or
Typhoons,
폭풍.
yeah, typhoons and hurricanes. And what is okay? What is a tsunami?
Is very big wave.
Very, very good.
My
It
dad
means
is
big ocean waves. Huge, yes?
Yeah.
Big ocean waves from the, what is a sea? You know why? What creates tsunamis? You know, under the ocean, there might be a collision. It's like a, what is earthquake
Yeah.
and volcano eruption. And it causes the what? It makes the huge waves. The waves got bigger and bigger and then bigger and the tsunami sweeps what? Away the coast and the town near the coast, right? It's very, very dangerous. Can ruin. What does it mean? Ruin.
Ruin is like 파괴되다.
English. What is a ruin? What is another word for ruin? It means damage. Say damage.
Damage.
Or destroy. Destruct. Damage coastal cities and wash away, sweep away the homes of people. Very, very dangerous. Say wash away. It means carry off. Say carry off.
Carry on.
Wash away, carry off. The homes means the houses of people. Very, very dangerous and destructive. We can think about the typhoon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, typhoon. And here, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, may I see it? And I'm going to show it to the other kids and they will learn.
I'm not done.
Very good. Okay, here Terry did this much. Okay, we are going to stop recording. Okay, everybody say bye.
Bye.
Bye.